Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from South Korea for the U.S. market. This is Samyang Buldak Kimchi. This is the bowl. I haven't tried the bowl. Oh boy. How long we got here? 4 minutes? 4 minutes. Alright. Let's do it up. To the lion. Up to the 9. Off. And we're rolling. So, yeah, yesterday was the 4th of July. Now it's the 5th of July. Tomorrow's our 13th wedding anniversary. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I like that. And my wife's been in California. Her grandfather passed on May 2nd. Really, really cool guy. And it's a bummer. He was 101 years old, and it was his time to go. But the guy leaves a serious legacy. That's pretty impressive. And she went up and spoke at the mass, and this morning, that was on the 3rd, this morning they did the full military, he was in World War II, they did the full military send-off, 21 gun salute. Yeah. Guy got 3 Purple Hearts, and after the war he was in Japan. That's where he started his family. Oh wait. No, he was in Panama and then in Japan. I don't know. All I know is my mother-in-law was born in Japan, which is cool. And yeah, it's a bummer. It's a real bummer. But he left an indelible mark on a lot of people, including myself. Him and his wife, just like the most welcoming, kind people in the world. So, anyways, yeah. But today is the 5th of July, and we have kimchi. And I have kimchi to go with it. Not much. It's the rest of my kimchi. I need more kimchi. Yeah. This is no fish sauce sliced kimchi. I didn't get it on purpose. I just saw, hey, that's the right size. It'll fit in the fridge. You know, I don't know. I didn't know they usually use fish sauce. Usually I thought it was just like anchovy liquid soup stuff. So, we'll see. There is kimchi in this, but it is a very, very small amount, a little bit. Yeah. And I know this might have anchovy in it. I don't think it does, though. But, yeah, I'm pretty sure I liked this. The next one I'm doing is an Indonesian variety, and it should be spicy. This one, I think I tried the pack version, and it was spicy, but it wasn't like, or anything like that. Won't be doing a mukbang of this. I don't know. The last few days it's just been me and the kids, and I've been like really bad as far as eating ice cream. And we did the what do you call it? I did hot dogs and potato salad and regular cheesy, you know, boring chips. And oh, we didn't have that apple pie. But yeah, me and Mimi had that. Miles is more of a stickler. He's kind of more picky. But yeah, we did that, and yeah. Now it's hot. I'm getting 10,000 steps in a day with the kids, and they've been, wow. I gotta say, I'm impressed with their getting on board with the walking thing. They really like it too. That's neat. I find that super cool. So we drain this completely. There's no question about how drained this gets. You drained the heck out of it. No liquid left. And then we add in the sauce. Let's get you all up and personal with this one. It's so funny. My definitive guide to Bulldog is the most popular page on www.theramenradar.com. And the other one is my top 10 spicy list. It's like you guys are really into spicy stuff. So I usually do a lot of mukbang and things like that. This stuff has quite a following. And that's cool. It's pretty good. I've had some varieties that are just like wonderful, like the rose, which is kind of like a creamy spicy. That one's good. There's creamy carbonara and carbonara, but those are like totally different. Which is weird because you would think, oh, that one's creamy spicy. So's that. But the rose uses a different style noodle. This is just a standard noodle in this one. Nothing, I mean, it's a good noodle, but it's just not their more wide, thick stuff. Which, honestly, I like that. I think it'd be interesting if they do a Budai Jigai. I think that's probably going to be coming down the line soon, which is like troop stew. So kind of like a spicy hot dog flavor one. Yeah, here we are with our kimchi Bulldog. I'll get a good bite of this stuff to check out the spicy. Mmm. Good amount of heat. Definitely bits of kimchi in there. Not bad. So I'm gonna cut up some chashu and throw this in here. A little savor pork. Yeah. Nothing like a little savory pork. Yeah, the kids want to go out walking again, but it's going to be in like the 90s. I don't know. Alright, so there we are. Let's get this sucker plated. And I'm going to try it today, foregoing my cup method. I'm seeing if that works. Maybe it will. I don't know. I'm not going to say, bar none, this is an easier way to do it, because honestly, depends on the gauge of the noodle. Yeah. A little pork, a little of that kimchi. Wow, that is a bright color. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very, very fluorescent. Yeah, this is kind of over here. I want it to look nice. I've got kimchi. Some people like kimchi and some people really don't. My buddy Matt, I was like, dude, you should try kimchi. He's like, all right. And he smelled it and he recoiled like I've never seen anybody like flip out. Oops. If I were going to eat this, I would do this. This is the last of the kimchi. And this liquid is just wonderful stuff. So that's what I would do. See? Add some spring onion. And a little bit of seed. That'll do. Oh, crushed red pepper. Okay. There is your bulldog kimchi with kimchi. So, yeah. So let's see, I've been reviewing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so that's 4 days in a row. Did I do Saturday too? I don't think I did Saturday. I don't think, no. But if I do tomorrow, that's 20 for the week, kind of. And this is the last one for today. This will be my 16th since Sunday. This is by a company called Kobe out of Indonesia. This is their Mi Boncabe Pedas Ramen. Rasa Ramen Pedas. Spicy level 30. They have one more that's spicy level 50 called Max End. This came by way of Ferengi. She lives in Australia, and thank you very much. They'll be on the show tomorrow. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Please, for the love of God, like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.